Yo, Cycling Chef! Welcome back to the vlog. Punta kami ng New Clark City. We are here to support our fellow Factor riders, Factor Philippines teammates na sumali dun sa ginanap na Go for Gold individual time trial. Siyempre, ensayo na rin yun kasi yung Clark to New Clark City and back to Clark, it's around 50 plus kilometers and about 600 plus meters of elevation. Kaya nakapag-ensayo na rin kami. At the same time, nakapanood pa kami ng race.
Morning!
Kahit sa amin, yung problema namin pag morning ride.
Kamusta yung Zero? Kamusta?
Sa ride na to, makakasama natin si Reynard Howard Bagaporo at saka si Wilbert Yeno. Si Wilbert taga Bulacan. Kasama din niya si Gabby. Si Wilbert Yeno nga pala, first time niya rito sa New Clark City Access Road. And sabi niya nga, this road is perfect for some intervals and training.
Guys, good morning. Dito na tayo sa New Clark City. At start na ang ayun si Tito Kurt to. Good luck, Tito.
Pagdating namin dun sa New Clark City, sakto na abutan namin si Sir Rex Tan o Factor Philippines CF Cycling Performance. By the way, the bike of Rex Tan is Factor Hanso. After Rex Tan, ito naman si Sir Kurt Villamin, also from Factor Philippines and CF Cycling Performance. Si Tito Kurt naman, naka-Factor Slick. Shoutout din kay Dominic Gabriel Go, LB Slim at saka Sed Kagiwa ng Pedaline PH. They are also competing in this race. Also participating in this race, si Idol Nash Lim, our national champion for individual time trial 2025. Kaya lang, hindi na namin siya naintay.
Kasi yung mga bags, hindi mo pa dala.
We're glad that we went to New Clark City to support our team, our group. Even though we're not a part of the race, what is important, we are here to support our team. Never status quo.
Ay, magpakita.
Okay, balik na kami sa Clark. Yung mga video ko na nilalagay ko dito, gandang tingnan eh.
Tatawagan ko ba?
You can run, but you can't hide.